Ever wondered how a tiny vitamin could pack a punch against blocked arteries? Well, buckle up as we embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of extreme vitamins that blast away artery blockages. First up is vitamin C, the unsung hero in the fight against heart disease. This humble nutrient, often associated with boosting immunity, plays a crucial role in preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage arterial walls. But there's more. Vitamin C also promotes the production of collagen, a protein that strengthens and maintains the elasticity of your arteries. Next, we have vitamin E, another antioxidant powerhouse. It not only repels those pesky free radicals, but also reduces inflammation in the arteries. This is key since inflammation can lead to blockages, and eventually to heart disease. Remember, vitamin E isn't just about glowing skin, it's also about a glowing heart. The third in our list is vitamin K2, a bit of an unsung hero. This vitamin has a unique ability to regulate calcium in the body. It ensures that calcium ends up in the right places, like your bones, and stays away from the wrong ones, like your arteries. This means fewer blockages and a healthier heart. Last but not least, we have folic acid, a member of the B vitamin family. This supervitamin helps to reduce the levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that in high quantities can lead to heart disease. It's like a secret agent, silently working to protect your heart from the inside. So there you have it, a rundown of extreme vitamins that are not just essential for overall health, but also pack a serious punch against artery blockages. These vitamins, working together, form an impressive line of defense against heart disease. To wrap up, remember that a healthy heart isn't just about hitting the gym or cutting out fatty foods. It's also about nourishing your body with the right nutrients like vitamin C, E, K2, and folic acid. These extreme vitamins work tirelessly to keep your arteries clear and your heart healthy. It's a small change that could lead to a big difference in your heart health.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest